How much should you actually spend on a ceramic cookware set? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Carotte 21 PCS Terracotta Set. First up is the Carotte 21 PCS Ceramic Cookware Set in a lovely terracotta color. Priced at $69.99, it caught my attention with its bestseller badge and the promise of safe, non-toxic cooking. If you want a reliable and budget-friendly cookware set, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With its ultra non-stick ceramic coating, cooking with little to no oil means healthier meals without the fuss of scrubbing. The even heat distribution ensures your food cooks uniformly, helping you avoid those frustrating hot spots that can ruin a dish. Plus, it's dishwasher and oven safe, making cleanup a breeze. With 4.5 stars from nearly 5,000 reviews, people are clearly satisfied with this set. Now, some people complained about the detachable handles being a bit tricky to remove. Here's the thing though, if you're space conscious and need storage solutions, you'll appreciate the space-saving feature, even if it takes a little getting used to. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a healthy, affordable option for everyday cooking. Skip this one if you need professional-grade cookware. For the price, it offers amazing value. Now, if the detachable handles frustrated you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Carotte 21 PCS Cerulean Set. Next, we have the Carotte 21 PCS Ceramic Cookware Set in a vibrant cerulean color, priced at $139.99. This caught my eye with its extensive set and solid reviews. If you want a durable, stylish cookware set with a variety of pieces, this one deserves your attention. This set features a reinforced die-cast aluminum construction, which means it can handle frequent use without showing wear and tear. You're getting even heat delivery, ensuring your meals cook perfectly every time. The ultra non-stick coating makes cooking and cleaning effortless, and the fact that it's induction compatible means it works well with a variety of cooktops. With over 27,000 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's a crowd favorite. However, some users found the price a bit steep for their budget. But here's the thing, if you're serious about cooking and want something that will last, this investment might pay off in the long run. This is great for you if you want a comprehensive set that looks good and performs well. Skip this if you're just starting out and want something basic. For what you get, the value is pretty solid. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a lightweight option. Product number 3, Sensart 14-piece white set. Coming in next is the Sensart Ceramic Cookware Set, a 14-piece set priced at $109.99. The clean white design stood out to me, and with its strong ratings, I felt it was worth a closer look. If you want a healthy, non-toxic option that's easy to clean, this might be the one for you. This set boasts a ceramic non-stick surface that's free from harmful chemicals, making it a much safer choice for your family. The scratch-resistant feature means you can cook with less oil, which is great for a healthier diet. With a thick stainless steel bottom, it's suitable for all stovetops, including induction. It also comes with a stay cool handle, which is a nice touch if you're tired of burning your hands. With a 4.5-star rating from 1,800 reviews, it seems to be quite popular. That said, some users mentioned that the pans can be a bit flimsy. Here's the thing, if you're careful with your cookware and don't use metal utensils, you should be fine. It's a great option if you're looking to make healthier meals without a lot of hassle. This is perfect for you if you prioritize health and easy maintenance. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty cookware that can take a beating. Overall, it's good value for a non-toxic option. Now, if you need something a bit more durable, this next one might catch your interest. Product number 4, Carotte 21 PCS Dark Mocha Set. Next up is another Carotte option, the 21 PCS Ceramic Cookware Set in Dark Mocha, priced at $139.99. This caught my eye with its promises of safe cooking and solid performance. If you want a stylish set that combines aesthetics with functionality, definitely check this out. This set features a durable ceramic coating that's free of harmful chemicals, so you can cook with peace of mind. The reinforced aluminum construction ensures that it handles frequent use well And the even heat distribution means you won't be stuck with unevenly cooked meals. With a 4.5-star rating from over 27,000 reviews, it's clear that this set delivers on its promises. However, a few users mentioned that it can scratch easily. Here's my take. If you stick to using silicone or wooden utensils, you should be just fine. Just be mindful not to use metal utensils, and you'll have a long-lasting set. This is perfect for you if you want a balance of style and practicality in your kitchen. Skip this if you're looking for something more budget-friendly. For what you get, it's a fair price. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more unique, the next option offers some interesting features. Product number 5, Carotte 22 PCS Oatmeal Set. Finally, we have the Carotte 22 PCS Ceramic Cookware Set in a soothing oatmeal color for $109.99. This set really caught my attention with its unique silicone lids and spacious variety of pots and pans. If you want an all-in-one set that's versatile, this deserves your consideration. The high-quality silicone lids create an airtight fit, perfect for trapping steam and ensuring your food stays moist and flavorful. The durable ceramic coating is again free from harmful chemicals, allowing you to cook healthier meals. Plus, the reinforced die-cast aluminum construction means it's built to last. With a 4.5-star rating from over 1,100 reviews, people are clearly loving it. However, some buyers found the set a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. Here's the thing. If you have the space and want versatility, these pots and pans will serve you well. Just be sure you have room for all of it. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive set that helps retain the taste of your food. Skip this if you're limited on kitchen space. For the range of features, it's quite a good value. So, to wrap it all up, we've covered the Carotte 21 PCS Terracotta, Carotte 21 PCS Cerulean, Sensart 14-piece white set, Carotte 21 PCS Dark Mocha, and Carotte 22 PCS Oatmeal set. Each has its strengths, whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, durable constructions, or unique features. Choose the one that fits your cooking style, and you'll be well on your way to healthier meals.